Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to correctly pick color in Inkscape. So for example, I will create here a new shape. So I go to rectangle tool and I create here a new rectangle. And now if you want to pick color from the picture, you need to click on selector tool. Then you need to select your object that you want to fill. After that, we go to dropper tool. That allows you to pick colors from image. So I click on this option. And now I will click, for example, here to pick green color. So I click on the picture. And like you see, our rectangle has successfully changed color. But if you want to change the color of the stroke of this object, you need to press and hold shift. And for example, I will click somewhere here. So I will do it now. And the border color has been successfully changed too. Of course, the rules are the same if you pick the color from the other objects. For example, if we want to change color of this rectangle to red, of course we will need to click on dropper tool. And for example, I will click somewhere here on the red color. And like you see, our rectangle has successfully changed color to red. Okay, so it is how it works. If you have any questions, you can include them in comments under this video. And of course, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all. Thank you for watching.